Vant Panels. With a huge selection of colors and fabrics, these affordable upholstered panels can be configured in multiple ways and can transform any room in a snap. Assembly is super easy too. Just size, set, screw, and snap. The options are endless. To create a simply gorgeous look, you can mix and match styles, sizes, colors, and fabrics personalized to your taste. And the best part is, to clean Vant panels, just pop them out, clean them with a cloth, and snap them right back in. See how Vant panels can change your life. Their modern sophistication and elegant comfort is praised by designers and homeowners alike. Creating a designer look for your home is just a few clicks away.